Unlock the power of your data and transform it into compelling visual stories with this beginner-friendly guide to Looker Studio. First, let's dive into creating a brand new report. Click the Create button and then select Report. This opens up a blank canvas, ready for your data. The first crucial step is connecting your data. On the right panel, you'll see an Add Data option. Click this to see a vast array of connectors available, from Google Analytics and Google Sheets to BigQuery and many more. For this tutorial, we'll connect to a Google Sheet. Simply search for Google Sheets, select your account, and then choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet containing your data. Once selected, click Add. Now, your data fields, think columns like date, sales, region, are available on the right side. Let's build our first visualization. Drag and drop a dimension like region onto the canvas. Looker Studio is smart. It often suggests the best visualization here. It's created a table. Now, let's add another field, a metric like sales. Drag sales onto the sales field in the table's configuration panel on the right. See how the table instantly shows sales data broken down by each region. Now, to create a different chart, on the toolbar, click Add a Chart and select Scorecard. A scorecard is perfect for displaying a single, important number. Drag your sales metric onto the metric field of the scorecard, and you'll immediately see your total sales. Let's add a time series chart to see sales trends. Click Add a Chart, choose Time Series, and then drag your date field to the dimension and sales to the metric. Adjust the date range as needed. You can easily customize any visualization. Select a chart, and on the right panel, under the Style tab, you can change colors, labels, axes, and more to make your dashboard pop. To make your dashboard interactive, click the Add a Control button. Let's add a date range control so viewers can filter the data themselves. Select Date Range Control and place it on your dashboard. Now, when you select a date range, all your charts automatically update to reflect that period. This is the essence of building an interactive dashboard. And there you have it. You've just created your first interactive dashboard in Looker Studio, turning raw data into clear, actionable insights. Explore more chart types and connectors to create even more powerful reports.